Debt Management Office opens to Federal Government of Nigeria savings bonds for subscription, offers up to 18% interest. Naira depreciates to 1,635 Naira in the parallel market. Nigeria Communications Commission rules out guidelines to ensure quality telco service delivery, imposes 5 million Naira fine on defaulters. Oil prices fall as weak demand overshadows Libya blockade. Asia-Pacific markets mostly rise after South Korea's inflation rate hits a 42-month low. And on the program today, we shall be profiling short and long-term initiatives towards a net zero carbon footprint in Nigeria. The program is Business Express, reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. I am Benny Adams, your guide. Now it's that time we bring you up to speed with happenings in the world of business, from the boardrooms to the marketplace. And we start with the cherry news that the Debt Management Office, DMO, has announced an offer for two Federal Government of Nigeria savings bonds. DMO says the FGN savings bond offers is tailored and targeted at retail investors with guaranteed quarterly interest payment and repayment of the principal at maturity. The agency said the offers, which opened on September 2nd, will close by September 6th at 1,000 per unit. The debt office said while the settlement date is on September 11, coupon payment dates are made quarterly: December 11th, March 11th, June 11th, and September 11th. The agency said the first offer is a 2-year FGN savings bond due on September 11, 2026. At an interest rate of 17.202% per annum, and the second issuance, the office said, is a 3-year savings bond maturing on September 11, 2027 at 18.202% per annum interest. Now, the Nigerian Telecommunications Commission, NCC, has reeled out a new set of key performance indicators and regulations to ensure good quality of service delivery by the telecommunications companies in the country. According to the Commission, the new QoS Regulations 2024 sets specific parameters for the different network segments of the telcos, covering 2G, 3G and 4G. It focuses on parameters such as drop call rates, call setup success rate, and traffic congestion, among others. According to reports, the new QoS regulation may have been prompted by the recent 50% telecom service target set by the Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Bosun Tijani. NCC says it has resolved to meet this target before the end of this year. The Naira depreciated to 1,635 to a dollar in the parallel market from 1,625 per dollar. However, the Naira yesterday appreciated to 1,585 Naira 77 kobo per dollar in the Nigerian Autonomous Foreign Exchange Market, that is the NAFE market. Data from the MDQ showed that its indicative exchange rate for NAFEM fell to 1,585 naira 77 kobo per dollar from 1,598 naira 56 kobo per dollar, indicating 12.79 appreciation for the naira. The volume of dollars traded turnover in the market declined by 58.8% to $71.18 million from $172.8 million traded last week Friday. Consequently, the margin between the parallel markets and NAFEM rate widened to 49 naira 23 kobo per dollar from 26 naira 44 kobo per dollar last weekend. Now, how much is the naira exchanging for other currencies? Let's take a look. Now, to ensure reduction in the cost of transportation, the federal government has donated 20 CNG buses to Oyo State. Lukman Hassan, who monitored the donation, explained that the buses will be used both within and outside Oyo State.
The CNG initiative introduced by President Bola Tinubu last year after removing petroleum subsidy is to ensure that Nigerians enjoy low transportation fare nationwide. The Chief Executive Officer of Presidential Compressed Natural Gas Initiative, Michael Oluwagbemi, noted that the donation is a promise kept by the President Tinubu-led administration.
About making it sustainable, about also ensuring that we are good custodians of the assets that we're given, and also ensure that the jobs that were created in manufacturing these buses can continue to be created, and in also ensuring that more buses are rolled out so that more people can enjoy the benefit.
Receiving the buses, the Oyo State Pacesetter Transportation Service said this will go a long way in reducing the cost of transportation within and outside Oyo State.
Yes, we know it's sustainable because most countries outside the world have been using it and it's sustainable, and we're going to try it out here, and if it's yes, we're going to convert all our buses as well.
We also have a safer environment because every element of emission that is reduced from our day-to-day activity is a plus for our health.
It is believed that this initiative will reduce cost of vehicle maintenance.
Now, Asia-Pacific markets mostly rise after South Korea's inflation rate hits a 42-month low. It's over to you, Bosede. How is the market looking like this morning?
Good morning, Benny. Hello and welcome to the global market. This Tuesday, investors are continuing to consider the outlook for interest rate cuts and market. Meanwhile, European stocks opened slightly higher this Tuesday, bouncing back from a lackluster start to September trading at the beginning of the week. We see the FTSE topping 0.08%, DAX 0.16%, and CAC 40 of France also followed suit at 0.08% across 7,652.71. Asian market mostly fell this Tuesday morning as investors access South Korea's August inflation numbers, which is at its lowest level on a year-on-year basis since March 2021. We see Shanghai Composite dipping 0.29% across 2,802.98. Nikkei at 0.04% at 38,686.31. And the Hang Seng Index followed suit at 0.29% across 17,638.39. U.S. stock futures inched down this Monday night as traders brace for a potentially tough month ahead after a strong but volatile August. However, this morning we see the Dow Jones Industrial Average at 228.03 points, the S&P at 1.01% and Nasdaq at 1.13%. Meanwhile, for Africa, Namibia and South Africa's JSE Africa Top 40 resumed on a negative note as investors are expecting a positive twist as the day progresses, while other stocks are yet to post new figures. That's the global market this morning. I am Bosode Ebo Amosu. Back to you, Benny.
Thank you, Bosede. We'll keep our eyes on the figures, not just for Nigeria, but the global market in general. And this is where we end this edition of Business Express. We do value your feedback, so keep the comments, observations, and suggestions coming. Be informed that all previous episodes are available on YouTube on NTA's channel. Business Express returns tomorrow at 3 p.m. And do keep a date with us as you keep thinking and doing business.